Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, access calendar by tapping on it and click on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then just got it and tap on the month above. Over here, pick a date and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select event and finally adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on this switcher next to all day. You can also add location, select while using the app or only this time, type in an address or city, wherever, and click on the correct one. Now you can set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, click done, and even take notes. When you're ready, choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can edit it by clicking on it, choosing this pen icon at the top right corner, making new changes, and tapping on save. But you can also click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, and select delete to get rid of your event. After tapping on it, you need to select delete one more time in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!